Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hausa beer. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to enjoying your final refreshing drink. This traditional West African beverage, also known as lamugin or emudro, is celebrated for its vibrant, spicy flavor and invigorating qualities. It's a fantastic non-alcoholic option perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful taste experience that is both unique and easy to achieve. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 200 grams of fresh ginger, peeled and roughly chopped. Next, prepare your spices. 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, and about 3 to 5 dried chili peppers for that signature kick. Finally, ensure you have 3 liters of clean water and your preferred sweetener, like brown sugar or honey, on hand. Now let's get blending. Combine your chopped ginger, cloves, black peppercorns, and dried chili peppers with about 1 cup of water in a blender. Process until you achieve a very smooth paste. Transfer this mixture to a pot, add the remaining water, and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to fully extract all those wonderful flavors. Afterward, allow it to cool slightly before straining. Once strained, it's time to sweeten your Hausa beer. Gradually add your chosen sweetener, like brown sugar or honey, starting with about 1/2 cup, adjusting to your preference. Stir well until fully dissolved. For the best experience, refrigerate your drink for at least 2 hours or until it's perfectly chilled. Serve it over ice, perhaps with a slice of lemon or lime for an extra zing. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.